Okay, welcome guys to another Blender tutorial. Today we are going to be making a computer screen. So we did a TV screen a while back, but I guess like it's slightly different, but it's kind of the same. So they're just going to be smaller with bigger stands, I guess. So we're going to take the default cube G to just bring it up a little bit so it's away from the grid. I just find my work is a little bit better when I can just see what I'm doing on the other side as well without having the lines there. I get you can turn them off. But we're going to go S to scale, and we're just going to flatten this out to begin with. And it's probably roughly the size that I need. So we're going to go object mode. We are going to select the front face here, E for extrude, S to scale. Now, computer screens tend to have a very big kind of lip, a seam around them, so we're just going to go ahead and make one of those. E for extrude. They tend to have a little bit of a lip going in, and then E for extrude again, and then that should be your screen kind of thing. So, when we get to the back of these, we're just going to select this. And they tend to be curved around the back, so we're just going to go E, scale inwards, E, and then scale inwards again, E, and then scale inwards. Many computer screens are pretty flat on the back, so we just go scale inwards, and then once we get to this part, we've obviously got the part where there's all of the stuff that goes into it, all the wires. So from this point we can go E for extrude, keep it where it is, scale it in slightly, E for extrude, let it go back, but don't clip the screen. And then I think, you know what, I'm gonna maybe, no, I don't want to do the split. Okay, so we're gonna use another cube. I'm just gonna shade smooth. Right click shade smooth, and I'm just going to do some editing on the colour here. So we're going to have two materials. The first material is, we're going to name this the back of PC screen, and then we're going to plus another material in here, new, and then we want to click the front one here that's going to be the screen, press assign, and say PC screen, and then this is going to be black with slight reflection. So when we go to the render here, hopefully we're in cycles. Oh, yeah, let's put that back into cycles right there. PC screens tend to be quite dull, so I'm just going to bring the roughness up just slightly. And that's the front of our screen right there. Okay, so the back is in regards to the back. We're just going to put some stuff on the back here. So, we want... Let me think. I think, yeah, I might just split this one. Do it differently than I did to the TV screen. So, just do that. E for extrude. And then this is where all the wires would go. So I'm just going to go E for extrude on this one. Just bring it across just slightly. And then we're going to do all the technical stuff on this. Kind of thing. I think the TV method was a lot better, but I just want to try this with the computer screen, just to see what we can do. A whole lot of Blender stuff is just about experimenting, really. We could put the wires in that in the back there. So we have a little screen there, and now we need the stands. So the stands, we're just going to use a cube. Just put this down a little bit, put it in the back, scale that down, scale it across a little bit just to give it a little bit of a stand. E for extrude. Go E again. And then just scale it out a little bit. E again. Scale it out a little bit. Just gonna bring that in. I'm just going to scale it out as much as we can at the bottom. And then E for extrude again. And that's kind of the basic, really, of a computer screen and stand. I don't like it. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't like it. I am a little bit pushed for time right now, but it's okay, I guess. I could have done better on that for sure. But yeah, that's your typical 90s computer screen from what I can at least remember that they look like. So well, 90s, noughties, especially the flat ones, which were those weird ones. Yeah, so thanks for watching, I guess. I'll see you in the next one.